Hi, my name's Tom. My wife actually found this Fresh Step litter deodorizer, and I thought I would just kind of tell you our experience with it. We've had it for about 2 weeks now. We've used it in 3 different litter boxes with 2 different types of litter, uh, and it works great. Honestly, it's really just very, very simple stuff. All you do is you put regular litter into your cat box. You use this, you kind of put it across the litter, the top of the litter. You just kind of sprinkle it in there. It's not for carpets, it's not for cleaning things. It's just little crystals. You can see what they look like. They're little blue crystals here. See, they're just little blue crystals. Uh, they smell pretty good. They smell like a clean smell, almost kind of a little bit of a deodorant smell, but not a bad soapy sort of a smell. It's a very clean. It's nice, almost like a fresh linen sort of a thing. But I like this container as well. It's nice. It screws on nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about knocking it over. It's recyclable. It just is a great little litter thing. I'll go ahead and use it real quick, just kind of show you how it works. Okay, all you do is open it up and you just sprinkle it in a little bit. You don't need a lot. And then I will go ahead and take the scoop and just kind of sprinkle it around. And then your cats will go ahead and use the litter just like normal. They will go ahead and they will scratch it, and they'll scratch it, and it smells great. It's a wonderful little odor. But I really recommend this if you have litter that is not holding up to the odor or not able to keep the odor down. If you have multiple cats, a little bit of this, we put it in. We actually scoop our litter boxes quickly every day, and we just go ahead and put a quick sprinkle of this across the litter box. Not a lot, just a little bit. It's all it needs. Whenever your cat scratches in there, they'll go ahead and release some of that odor from the crystals, and it smells great. We buy multiple bottles of this, and we just put one next to each litter box. And when the kids go ahead and scoop the litter box for the day, they just put a quick sprinkle of this across the top, and they're done. And this keeps the odor at a minimum. And if anything else, it actually makes the litter boxes smell good. So when the cats go and they scratch, they actually release some of these odors, and it smells good. Highly recommended.